Hello, so today we will be exploring the question, what happened to the water? So, have you ever wondered why puddles of rainwater eventually disappear? Where does the water go? What what do you think causes the water to dry up? This video will show you what I mean by water disappearing. So here we have a solution of salt and water, and they're heating it up. Watch what happens to the water. Right. I'll stop it there. I think you guys get the point. Um, do you think the same thing will happen if you just leave a glass of salt water out for a few days? Why or why not? But if we did just that and and find out if the same thing happens. So we'll be conducting a small investigation involving salt and water to help us explore what happens to the water and the salt if they're left out for a few days. So instead of heating the water and salt, we'll just leave it out and find out if um, the water also uh, disappears like it did in the video. And we'll explore uh, why and why not. So the standard um, will be developing a model to describe that matter is made of particles that are too small to be seen. Um, so that includes what happens with the particles in the solution of salt and water, and why the water seemingly disappears. Are you guys ready to see what happens to salt water if we leave it out for a few days? Okay, let's get to it.